Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you this video called "This Toy Triggers Doggo," but but it's already gone, so it's absolutely gone forever, and Rapid Liquid just deleted already. I tried to find it, but doggo animations. But this, it says Shib gets spooked by toy. But that's absolutely gets me. So you already deleted the toy triggers doggo. So now it's gone forever. So tomorrow I don't think he will come back. I don't think it will come back soon. But I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys have a nice video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, comment down below if you absolutely like Rapid Liquid. So bye.